people that are like in Brazilian. Actually, Brazilian. Excuse me, folks. We're getting into some fun activities today. ECC has their Cars and Coffee. We're gonna go show up, see what's there. Last week they had a Cars and Coffee at the Jewelers downtown Birmingham. That one was fun, but I'm excited to see who's out and about. There was a LaFerrari downtown Birmingham literally this week, so I guess we're gonna see who is still out and using their supercars. This event is really nice because there's not a lot of like those 15-year-old clout chasers. This one's a little early in the morning, a little more mature crowd, which maybe I'm just getting old and grumpy, but dude, that last Cars and Coffee, I left early because it was just like 15-year-olds swarming these cars. This dude popped out of a Ferrari, and 2 seconds later, people are like, what are you doing for a living, bro? How much you make? Let him have his space. The car world is different now. But we're on the way. We have a car that is now working and drives itself, and fortunately cost us $0, which is amazing. So let's get to it. We have a very chilly 40-degree Cars and Coffee, but just parked. Gonna see what's here. I think Kyle's here, who you guys have seen on the channel before. I already see some supercars. I think we're in for a nice little treat.
This is my favorite.
458. Oh, hey, I was wondering if I was gonna. I got about 2 seconds in and I got tackled by a friend. Whoa. Cool stuff out, man. RS5 cab. S4. V8.5. Interesting. Ooh, these Taycan Cross Turismos are pretty cool. I gotta say, for an EV, the hatchback look just looks so freaking cool on these. Next to a Turbo S, or Turbo. Perfect daily and weekend car. Ooh, I have yet to see one of these in person yet. Jeez. So wide. This is like flawless. A flawless bumper. Beautiful. E93 M3. I saw an E93 M3 on my way in today. That was pretty neat. 2 of those I've seen now in 20 minutes. Cool RX-7. Somebody landed a helicopter. What a flex. Little John's R8. This is the one we drove on the track at Ozarks. Top is respectfully up because it's about 39 degrees right now. And then looks like Leon's R8's parked here as well. Cool lineup of cars. Leon opted to put the top down today. I don't think he drove it with the top down here though. Got a 720S with the doors up. Huge turnout. I'm surprised and not. I feel like a lot of the Michigan car scene is like a lot of people that have daily drivers, or we get so few of these events per year because of the weather. When they happen, people show out to them. I've seen this on my Instagram feed sometimes. Very cool 996. Seen this wagon before. Very cool stuff out, man. A lot of Audis, a lot of dailies. A few G8Xs. Gotta say, I love the dark navy, especially with the kind of browny orange interior. Sweet combo on these cars. I don't know, G80 next? Everybody's telling me that's what I need to get. That's definitely Kyle's car. Just don't know where he is yet. I have not seen him. It's always a fun one to see. So we found a fire truck, and it has a ladder, an axe, fire hose, siren, speaker. I think this is my favorite car at the show, I'll be honest.
I don't know.
All-wheel drive, four-wheel drive.
I don't know. It looks like a
So cool, dude. Got a little radio in there. This is a legitimate fire truck. Man.
There's a little
I wonder.
hookup for the water and stuff. I'm assuming.
Yeah, this is quite the unique build. This is the stuff I like seeing in Cars and Coffee. I'd rather see this than like supercars, to be honest. So cool. I wonder what kind of fires this thing's putting out, man. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have my second favorite car here. What is this, an Accord with turf? It must have underglow because it's got the controller there, but it has turf on the interior and the exterior of the entire vehicle. This is impressive, to say the least. I am just curious the time and effort that goes into this craftsmanship. Just absolutely wild. Garage reset. As you can tell, it's pretty gnarly. And I know you're thinking, man, I haven't posted in a while. Sold the car, dude fell off. Not exactly what's going on. We're just in a little reset mode. Today we're gonna clean the garage. Y'all are coming along with me. It's getting gnarly, man. There's like a lot of dirt on the tiles, a lot of crap, a lot of cobwebs. We're putting away the Christmas decorations. There's just stuff. It's added up, and I just need to turbo clean everything. Recently did that for my house, and it was just awesome. Spent like 3.5 hours just cleaning one room, going to the next, not moving on until everything was complete. Christmas tree usually goes right under there, so that should be easy. Cleaning off the shelving in the cabinets should be a breeze. Just takes time. You got to put time towards stuff if you want to keep them up to date, keep them maintained. That is true for both your spaces and yourself. So hope everybody had a good holiday season. Christmas was great for me. Got to see family, friends, all that business. Been working on my health too, man. Been running, been lifting, been doing good stuff. Yeah, it's been a great start to the 2026 year for me. I know the garage is empty. We have not bought a fun car still yet. I've got the Tesla Model 3 outside right now because I wanted it separate while I clean. But we can chat about that. We can chat about what we think is next. That works. So in order to put this guy, needs a home. Golf balls. Family got me this as a Christmas gift. Hopefully get out a little more this season and go golfing. All right, put those in my golf bag. Then stuff like this, I guess should probably go all together. I really like the Ego stuff for my mowing in my yard. Batteries are great. They share the batteries. This is the big Honka. It's actually gonna go back inside because I like storing it indoors for the winter. Reposition here so everything is level. There we go. Tesla comes with these like side, I don't know, arrow crap. I don't think it looks good on the car, so I threw it in the corner of my garage. To be honest with you, I think those are gonna stay there. It looks chaotic, but I think it's honestly the best thing to do right now. And we've got the bike stuff, the golf, it's all like away. I don't know, any suggestions, throw them my way. All right, that is looking 10,000 times better. There is a little like crud, you can still see it kind of etched into the countertop almost. I used a little of the cleaner and then steel wool to get it up, and looks good. No scratches. This countertop is so nice. I don't want to like have it dirty or cluttered all the time. Just from a decluttered perspective, this is making my heart happy. I put this kind of thing in the wall here for the Tesla charger. Voila. Dartboard's looking nice. I still want somewhere different to put my plates. That corner is just like not, I don't know, it's there, but it's kind of tucked away. Plus, that is the coolest plate ever. I was looking at F80 M3s and F82 M4s. It is really hard to find one that's not been clapped or modified to the high heavens. Ideally, I would like a 2018 to 2020, unmodified, cool color, and like 40-ish thousand miles. The problem with being so picky on the F80s and F82s, they're like 60 grand. Yes, you're playing with a fun sports car. It's something I've been thinking about. Obviously Carson's F80 M3 was super cool on the channel while it was here. It's a good platform. It's a pretty saturated platform. I feel like on social media, a lot of people have done it, but it is a really cool car. I wouldn't be buying the car for other people. I'd be buying it for me. Other cars, hey, an RS5 would be pretty cool. I know I've talked about it on the channel previously. I thought it was pretty similar to the S4 in terms of like the performance, the interior. I feel like I've already owned one, if that makes sense, even though I haven't. So those are my thoughts as we're just chilling in winter. The wintertime struggle of being a Michigander. I know you Midwest folks can empathize with me here. There's just like nothing to do. I'm not trying to make an excuse for the lack of content, although it is, it's tough to like find stuff to want to do, especially when it's dark. When you leave for work, it's dark. When you come back from work, it feels like the day's over. It's really easy to get in like a excuse mode, if that makes sense, where it's like, oh, well, there's nothing to do. I don't want to do anything. Might as well throw on the pajamas, hop on the couch, watch some television. I don't particularly want to be like that. So I've been active. I've been having fun with the new year. Like I said, I've been running. I have a half marathon coming up, so I've been training for that. Been healthy, eating good food, staying away from bad stuff, just kind of reset in the life area and reset in the garage area. Very metaphorical. Yeah, what have you guys been doing for your new year, your resolutions? It's a weird thing to talk about. It's not really my area of content, but I like to check in on the homies, see how everybody's doing, see what they're up to. How have you reset for the new year, a new car, new opportunities? What are you doing? What's up? It's almost felt like I don't know what to do because life is just like, go to work, come home, go to work, come home, watch videos on the internet, scroll on my phone, work out, eat, go to bed. I feel like we're just in this kind of stagnant routine, which is, it's good and bad. I don't know, I'm not complaining. Life is good. That's just kind of the winter update for me. I think I'm gonna wait till springtime when they're done salting the roads to do a deep clean of the flooring like I did last year. But the main thing was putting away the decorations, getting stuff decluttered, getting things at least semi-clean here in the garage. And mission accomplished, I'd say today. Bag of trash is gonna get thrown out. I'm not quite done with it yet, but I guess some other news. Carson is buying another car because he needs one again. Next week, I believe we're taking delivery of that, so I'll film what I can there. Gonna road trip it right off the bat, so that'll be fun. That's kind of it from my end. Just wanted to let you know I'm still alive and well. Doing very well, actually. I've kind of missed uploading and missed filming and just a little stuff with it, I guess, like setting up shots, recording on my phone, planning shots, editing, uploading, making thumbnails, like all that little stuff is really fun to me. So glad we're back in the saddle again. How have you guys been keeping yourselves sane as car people? Most of my followers and subscribers are very car-oriented folks. What have you been doing this year? I know a lot of people who are into cars are also into like video games and other hobbies like that. I bought a treadmill. I've been working out. I've been keeping myself occupied. Just lack of car stuff here, especially in Michigan, man. If you guys are local here, let me know what there is to do, because I'm out of ideas. If you guys want to see Tesla stuff, Tesla content for some reason, I guess let me know there too. I guess update with the Tesla. It's just been great. It's been a great daily. It's been a car. I'm finding myself really liking a few of the features on it, like the scheduled charging, scheduled preconditioning, and like having it completely heated up when I'm leaving for work, leaving from work. It is nice. It is nice. That's the other part of it too. It's like, oh, once you go, it's gonna be tough to come back to a car where I have to manually heat up and wait for the temps to warm up and all that. We'll see, we'll see. Just kind of a random low-key winter vlog in the garage though. So we've got a car delivery video next. If you guys wanna make sure not to miss it, hit subscribe, hit the like button, just for the sake that we're uploading a video in the middle of winter. It's 30 degrees outside. I know 2 years ago we did the entire garage renovation, so we had some content to do in that department, but I'm in grind mode, man. I've been saving money instead of spending it, which I'm really proud of. Not a lot of content to make saving money, I guess. If you guys enjoyed, hit the like button, subscribe. Till the next video, ladies and gents, we'll see ya.